Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I finally found the perfect sundress for the beach or the pool or just going out for dinner because it's just so cute. Look at the details in the flutter sleeves, and it's ruched up here so it's nice and form-fitting, but not too, it doesn't feel like you're trying to show off too much. So I really love it. I also just really like how breezy it is. It's just feels so great when you are somewhere on an island and it's really hot. It's just the perfect dress. It's a perfect complement to just about anything you want to do. I've worn it shopping at the beach and I've never was overheated in it. It's nice. And look at the beautiful color. I got it in gray and I found a different lighting. It almost looks navy blue, which I think is just perfect for a sundress. I also found the sizing guide to be very accurate. Just follow it exactly. I usually wear a size 8 to 10. I got this in a 10 and it fits perfectly. I'm also 5'8" and I found it hit me just exactly where I wanted it to. It's just super cute. I've had so many compliments from this dress and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.